Welcome to this video on the Forensic Triad, an analytical framework used to decode a crime scene. The Forensic Triad integrates three specialized fields: bloodstain pattern analysis, forensic anthropology, and forensic odontology, to reconstruct the event, the victim, and the struggle. Bloodstain pattern analysis, or BPA, reconstructs the event, forensic anthropology reconstructs the victim, and forensic odontology reconstructs the struggle. The physics of bloodstain patterns, including the angle of impact, shape, and directionality, are used to reconstruct the dynamics of an event. Using mathematics like the tangent application, investigators calculate the area of convergence and the area of origin in 3D to precisely locate the source of blood. Scientific methodology in BPA uses a six-step process, from observing the problem to testing evidence, ensuring conclusions are based on physical evidence and eliminating personal bias. Blood patterns are crucial for exposing false testimonies and hidden movements, revealing details like the use of a swinging weapon and movements after blood was shed. Forensic anthropology focuses on the skeletal framework, a, quote, biological resume that survives long after soft tissue fades, providing diagnostic outputs about the victim. A species diagnostic matrix helps differentiate human remains from animal bones based on distinct morphological differences in the pelvis, limbs, rib cage, and bone marrow. The pelvis is the primary indicator, and the cranium is the secondary indicator for sex determination, with a high accuracy rate based on skeletal morphology. The biological clock left in bones is read through skeletal maturation, identifying age ranges from sub-adult growth features like teeth and cranial closures to adult degradation. The biological profile is finalized by calculating stature from long bone length and estimating ancestry from cranial morphology, providing geographical origins. Bones preserve signatures of trauma, categorized as blunt force, sharp force, and projectile trauma, each leaving distinct damage patterns. Forensic odontology uses bite marks, the behavioral vector, to capture a history of struggle and defense, and the biological carrier for DNA evidence. Unlike stable mediums, human skin is an elastic medium that distorts bite mark impressions, making visual matching scientifically controversial for sole identification. The analysis of a bite mark is strengthened by a systematic six-step process, focusing on pattern injury and physical evidence.